Hey y'all, so today we're going to be doing some DIY gift ideas. Let's get into it. So first I want to show how to make these etched glasses. These were honestly so nerve-wracking to make, but it ended up being really fun. So I went on Canva and I made some different designs for some of my friends. I have an engraver pen from Temu, some scissors, and some tape, as well as the glass. So I went ahead and cut out the image that I wanted and taped it on to the inside of the glass. I definitely recommend going over it with a pen. I think that's going to make it a lot easier for you, but didn't do that for this one. And then I went in with that engraver pen and just went ahead and started to engrave it to the best of my ability. I did this as well on some beer glasses for my friends. Their dog's name is Bebe, so I thought this would be super cute, and I think they turned out really good. This next gift is a gift that I make for my boyfriend every year. So I got a mini tinsel tree, a bunch of scratch cards, my hot glue gun, and then I also used some tape. Started by just taking all of the tinsel off of the plastic tree. That way we can just use the backing. Ripped up all of my scratch cards and just started gluing and taping them to the tree. Definitely recommend doing both since they are a little bit hard to actually stick on there, and then once that's done, you have a cute little Christmas tree. For this next gift, I wanted to make some shower steamers, so I followed a recipe that I found on Pinterest. I will leave it down in the description below. Got some cute molds, got all of my supplies together. I decided to go with peppermint oil for the scent since it's kind of Christmassy. So unfortunately, I ended up losing quite a bit of the footage here, but I just went in, followed the recipe. It was pretty simple to follow, mixed everything together until I got the right consistency, and then I actually split this up into 3 different vessels to give them out. I have these cute little snow globes. I got so many of the good ones from the mold. I love these Christmas tree jars. I think they're so cute. And then I put some in a little mini ornament as some shower snow. I did include a little tag with some instructions on here so the recipient knows just how to enjoy them. I also really love making candles. I feel like it is so fun and it's way easier than you think. So I made this vessel. Honestly, don't really love how it turned out, but I wanted to show you anyways. And then I found this planter from a local thrift store. Once I melted down all of my wax, I just tied my wick around a Sharpie and added my scent to it. I definitely would recommend gluing the wick down a little bit better than I did. You can also do this with candle dye, so for this one I made it kind of a wintry blue color. After it had dried for a little while, I went in and added some glitter to both of these just to give it just a bit more pizzazz. Like I said, I don't absolutely love how the vessel turned out, but I do really like the candle. I decided to add some snowflake glitter and it's so cute. This last gift has to be my absolute favorite, so I went in and I drew out some pictures of my friends. 2 of my friends got engaged this year, so I wanted to make a special little ornament from them. Got some tracing paper, some ornaments, and some scissors. I decided which size I wanted this to be, and then I taped down the image to my ornament, and then I tucked a little bit of tracing paper underneath just to make it nice and easy, and this allows you to be able to lift it up throughout the process and make sure that everything is going well. Once that was done, I was left with the outlines of my friends. I decided which paint colors to use, and then I went in and painted each of these layer by layer to make sure it was nice and even. I think it is so cute. So that was everything. I really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and in the meantime, have a killer day. Bye!